There, before starting this video, I would like to mention about the 5 perks you will be getting out of this opportunity. The first perk is you will be getting amazing mentorship from people who are working at this company already. Second thing is you will be getting amazing goodies and merchandises of this company absolutely for free. Third is you will be getting a chance to visit their offices in India for free. Fourth is you will be getting an internship or a full-time interview opportunity through this, and the CTC for this company is 20 lakhs per annum. And the fifth is you will be getting a leadership role, and along with that a lot of networking opportunities. Your communication skills are going to be better. Hey everyone, this is Harsh Goyal. I'm back again with yet another basic video. तो आज की वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं VMware Campus Ambassador program की, through which you can get a chance to interview for internship and full-time roles at VMware. So don't forget to check out this video till the end, and if you're liking this content, if you're first time visiting this channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button. Also do like this video if you think this has done some benefit to you, and do share it with the friends so that more and more people can get to know about this and they can apply and they can get benefited from the same. I'll make you go through the entire website, how to apply and what all things are required, what all skills are required. So do check this video till the end. So this is how the website of VMware Campus Ambassador looks like, and they're empowering students in 2 different countries, Europe as well as India. So let me just go through once with all the benefits that you'll be getting out of this program. First is mentorship from people who are working at VMware. You can have an access to a network of people who are working on projects, work and can have a positive impact on businesses and communities around the world. Second thing is exclusive events. You will be getting a chance to attend various meetups where other VM campus ambassadors, to private events where VM interns and employees. You will receive special access to connect, learn and be inspired with talented people in the community. Also, you get a chance to visit VMware offices through this particular program. A lot of VMware merchandises are on your way through. It's a 6 months long program, and you'll be receiving a lot of items from VMware. Apart from that, you will be getting a chance to interview at, like, if your performance is good, you'll be getting a chance to interview at VMware. Along with that, a certificate of program completion from VMware and a LinkedIn recommendation from your mentor who will be assigned to you at VMware. So this can be an amazing opportunity. Let's see some of the about the eligibility criteria for ambassadors in India. The first thing is you should be in your 3rd year, that is pre-final year. Batch of 2023 is eligible. You should be in any of the circuital branches. You should have good communication skills and a good academic record. Along with that, you should have some prior experience of organizing events and creating content. Active on social media platforms is a boon for the same. So definitely you can consider your application would be successful if you meet the criteria. When you click on apply for India, you will be seeing this particular sign up page where you can register through any of your profiles on LinkedIn, Facebook, Gmail or anything else. So do check it out, and you can fill out your details and make your application the best. Also, don't forget to check out Unacademy. They have started up with a new subscription known as Career as a Software Developer, through which you can get amazing things like mock interviews with a lot of people. You will be getting HR talks, tech talks by various renowned personalities, eminent people who have their channels on YouTube. They are teaching you projects on data analytics or tech extracurriculars like digital marketing and all. So these type of shows are coming live every week. Like there are 10 to 12 shows. You can see on the screen the schedule of all these shows is shown. You can check out that, and if you feel that this is relevant to you, you can definitely go ahead and check out the subscription. It costs ₹999. You can use my code ARSHG and you will be getting it at ₹899. Also, there's a show known as Beating the Odds where we'll discuss about different things like how to what are the differences between an MNC and product-based company. Also, what are the differences, what are the different college communities that we can be involved in, and a lot of other things. So if you are willing to check it out, you can check out the link in the description below and you can go for it. Thank you so much, and meet you in some other video. Till then, don't forget to press the like button and share with the friends. Also, please comment in the comment section whatsoever things you are feeling like, anything you want from me, anything that you want improvement in. So that gives a lot of motivation. Do wait for the next video. All the best. Good luck. Bye bye.